Hello everybody, this is Juan. Today I'm gonna present you guys a service pack for Huawei Mate 10. So this is the box. The service pack, it always comes for Huawei. For Huawei, it comes with a box with the protection. So and also with a bubble bag. So like usual, we're gonna start from the top. This one is black. We're gonna start from the top. This side, bottom, Type C. This case very well working. This is the back side. You guys can see this, the original one or the service pack, we call this always comes with a battery. The service packs always come with a battery, with a sticker. And the vibrates, speaker, earpiece, and also all the buttons. So what you need to do is just take off the motherboard from other cell phone, just put it back. That's it. It's gonna be very easy and faster for you to solve the problem that your customer has. So you're gonna give your customer superior service, and your customer gonna be very happy, very satisfied with the quality. So this is the front side of the LCD, and I'm gonna open a little bit to let you guys see the quality and the frame and the LCD. It's very well installed because it's original. So this is the advantage that you're having with the service pack, because you won't find any defect, any like gap, any glue, any other like problem with that you are facing with a refurbished one. So that's also the reason we are doing we're sending the original one, the service pack, because we also want to offer our customer the best quality and the service, and we offer you guys the best quality. You can offer the best service to your customer, and we all gonna be very happy with it. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and any question you can find our contact information below on this description area, and you can leave a comments. We are gonna be very happy to receive your inquiry and very happy to reply you guys. Okay, thanks again. Have a good day. Bye.